Ngele ikwekwezi FM sibuya nawe Express Lane noSibu Kurinaga ngiphethe Chaotic. Yazi uzibiza kamnandi bani ngifuna ukubiza ngendlela ubiza ngayo. Konje ubizwa njani igama lakho?
Chaotic.
Chaotic.
Uma iKZN Nquthu, grew up and based in Joburg, inspiring DJ, pioneer, you can call it businessman, event coordinator.
Phambi kokuthi singene ku Señorita emvumeni wakho kanje ke kasibuyisele emuva sikhumbuza amanye ama-hit wakhe.
Abantu bangikhumbula ngeBola Room, abanye bangikhumbula ngengoma eyamedumile bekuyishona phansi. Why Ungibhekile, it was an EP before I dropped. Before this is actually my debut album that I dropped.
Yeah, Señorita asikhulume ngayo vele. Album seyiphumile.
Yeah, iphumile. It dropped 2 weeks ago.
Yini igama layo?
CBD, Central Business District. Into eyenzithatha isikhathi le album ukuthi we had to set time aside to focus on and take in all the sounds that are coming from SA. So basically we're trying to take the SA sound more into the world.
So na ufika ngale ngaphetsheya bayazwisisa ukuthi sivuma sithini eSouth Africa, bayazwisisa umvumo wethu wakho ukhupha kodlala
kakhulu.
Umuntu uhlala njani kuhle kuhle a relevant ku industry leyo?
In order for you to stay relevant, the most crucial and important thing is always doing yourself, and you need to always pay in mind if you're doing this out of passion, you're always going to stay relevant.
Ngakhe mhlawumnye ko sithi fahla kancazana ukuthi ngiziphi ezinye izinto ozenza?
So I have a festival called Chaotic City. I have my own company, Chaotic Productions. It's also / record label. I have a couple of artists under Chaotic Production.
Bese ukhona njani ke kufanele uku DJ China nakama artist akho na wafuna ukubhukwa ngapha wenza njani into ezizoke nje?
You must divide the tasks. You cannot do everything alone. That's why you need to have a team.
Kuyelelisa abanye abafuna ukufana no Chaotic. Uthanda ukuthini nje abantu nabanjalo abasathuthukako abatsha?
No matter what happens, you need to do everything out of passion. I don't do it at all. Okwesibili, noma yini ozoyenza wena ngokwakho, qhubeka.
Raqela phambili.
Qhubeka uye phambili. If mawenza lento yenza ngothando, uzokhanya egcineni.
Chaotic. Phelile amagama amlaleli.
Sibuya nawe Express Lane 3 to 6.